Microsoft is enabling Linux GUI apps finally on the Windows subsystem for Linux, the WSL. So for a couple years now, you've been able to run dedicated kernels of Linux on your Windows PC. So for example, I can open up, it looks like it's broken at the moment because I haven't done anything with it for a while. But you can run basically Ubuntu or Manjaro or whatever. You can run distros as their own little isolated kernel within Windows, which is great for running like automation stuff and things like that. I've not played around with it too much. I was able to get like some degree of a UI working on some programs back in the day when I was messing with it. But in the dev channel of Windows Insider Builds, which is apparently the really scary, unstable channel, you can now actually run full isolated, X or Wayland GUI apps within Windows. And so what I really want to see is a scenario where someone tests a game running on DXVK and Proton and all of that through the Windows subsystem for Linux versus native on Windows, because you can run it through DXVK through the Windows subsystem for Linux back on Windows, because it's all GPU accelerated and stuff too. On top of the fact that there's just some exciting possibilities for it. And if there's a Linux specific program you can run, you can do it just kind of natively with this thing.